G'day guys, it's Calvin and Jason from the Coaching Company. Jason's been itching all the week to open the little box I got behind us. He's been going past and he's been giving a little rub and getting a little bit excited, and I think, seeing it's his last day of work and he's worked really hard and he's done a fantastic job of insertion.
Several times.
And out and in and out and in and out and in all today, that I think I'm going to let him open this little box and we'll have a look inside before I send it off to the customer. And I do have permission. I did ask permission to open Brad's box.
Well, look, another unboxing video. 60 lines a day.
So in here we have a Link MXG 1.2. How do you feel about it being an extra couple of inches, Jace?
Fine. I'm not jealous.
How big's your one? Have you got the little 3.5 inch?
I've got nothing now.
Oh yeah, we put your 3.5 inch into Nathan. Nathan borrowed your 3.5 inches.
Yep.
And you were thinking of getting 5 inches?
No, I'm thinking 7 inches probably.
You want to go 7 inches now? So this is a bit of a joint deal between AIM and Link. So it's an AIM dash, but it's got Link badging on it. And instructions. Oh, we've got some instructions. We're Kiwi males, we don't use that, just throw it away.
Oh, sticker.
Oh, that's another 10 horsepower.
Download user guide.
Look at that. It's a massive, isn't it?
That's what she said.
Because of course we put a 5 inch into Carl's hot rod, and that was pretty cool. So this is the street version. That is cool, isn't it? So there's the plugs and there's some loom. Oh, just plugs?
USB.
Yep.
Oh, and
there should be both plugs. Oh, there should be a terminator loom. There's your like your main loom.
that's your power loom. And
Yep.
it's your power and your CAN and USB.
So in here we've got CAN and the power feeds. I could probably be nice and put a plug on that for Brad, eh? Because this is the one that you wired the other day. It's good to Christchurch.
Yep.
And you've got 2 CAN lambdas and you've got a dash plug.
Oh, is that plug into...
So that's your communication cable. So it's the same as his ECU. Because you've got a little monsoon. What do you reckon?
Cool.
So this is the street version. While Jason has a play, yeah, this is the street version, as I said. So you've got street icons. It's got indicators, high beam light, engine check light.
Fuel level light.
At your fuel level. We can read fuel level into it.
High and low beams.
Which means we can actually use it to make the car road legal. It does have an odometer, but we don't actually need odometer in New Zealand for road legal for a petrol. We only need speedo. Diesels have to have an odometer. So this is going off to a man in Christchurch. We've already wired his truck. It's a pretty cool truck. He's looking at rebuilding engine. I might put a plug on it for him, mate, so I can just plug it in. I'll put a CAN plug on it. Can be used to feed in analog signals into the dash as well, like we do in the sprint boats, or it can be fed data from the ECU. In this case, the man's got a Link Monsoon, which is all wired up. Loom looks lovely. If you look around, hopefully I've edited a video for that one too, which is pretty cool. I'll be nice to put a plug on it for him, seeing we've kept his dash for a little bit before we did this video. And we'll tuck it all back in its box and we'll send it away for the man. You happy now?
Fine, you can go home now.
You can go home. Very good. Thank you. Catch you next week.